Did you know that between 2020 and 2024, over 1 million residents left California, marking one of the most significant domestic migrations in recent U.S. history? This mass exodus isn't just a California phenomenon, it's a trend affecting multiple states across the nation. Today, we'll explore the top 10 states experiencing the highest population declines in 2025, uncovering the reasons behind these shifts and what they mean for the future of America. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Once the epitome of the American dream, California is witnessing a significant population decline. High living costs, soaring housing prices, and increased taxes have made the Golden State less appealing. In 2023 alone, California lost hundreds of thousands of residents, with many relocating to states like Texas and Florida. It's ironic that the state known for Hollywood blockbusters is now experiencing a real-life Californians in Exodus saga. If you're considering a move, research housing markets and job opportunities in your destination state to ensure a smooth transition. The Empire State, renowned for its bustling cities and cultural landmarks, is also seeing a population dip. High taxes and living expenses are driving residents away. In 2023, New York was among the top states experiencing population loss. If you can make it there, you can make it anywhere, including more affordable states. Evaluate your financial situation and consider the cost of living in potential new locations before making a move. Known for its rich history and the city of Chicago, Illinois faces a notable outmigration. Economic challenges, high taxes, and political issues contribute to residents seeking greener pastures. Illinois was among the states with continuous population decline from 2020 to 2023. Even the deep dish pizza isn't enough to keep some Chicagoans from packing up. For those leaving, explore job markets in your new state and consider the long-term benefits of relocation. The Mountain State, with its scenic landscapes, is experiencing a population decrease. Limited job opportunities and an aging population are primary factors. In 2023, West Virginia's population shrank by 0.33%. It seems more folks are taking the country roads out of West Virginia these days. If you're staying, consider upskilling or retraining for emerging industries to enhance employment prospects. Famous for its vibrant culture and cuisine, Louisiana isn't immune to population decline. Economic downturns, natural disasters, and high crime rates play significant roles. The state saw a population decrease in 2023 compared to 2022. Not even the allure of Mardi Gras can keep some residents from seeking a fresh start elsewhere. Stay informed about disaster preparedness, and consider investing in property insurance if you reside in vulnerable areas. Steeped in American history, Pennsylvania faces modern challenges leading to outmigration. Economic stagnation and high taxes are prompting residents to relocate. The state experienced population loss in 2023. Even the Liberty Bell can't ring loud enough to keep people from moving. For those considering a move, research employment opportunities and living costs in prospective areas. Paradise on Earth. Yet Hawaii is seeing residents depart. The high cost of living and limited job prospects are significant factors. Hawaii experienced population loss in 2023. When paradise becomes too pricey, even islanders start island hopping to the mainland. If you're staying, budgeting and financial planning are crucial to navigate the high living costs. Known for its natural beauty and progressive cities, Oregon is not exempt from population decline. Rising housing costs and political unrest contribute to the outflow. Oregon was among the states that lost population in 2023. It seems the rain isn't the only thing driving Oregonians to seek sunnier prospects. Engage in community initiatives to address local issues and consider remote work opportunities to offset living costs. Rich in cultural heritage, Mississippi faces a shrinking populace. Economic hardships and limited access to quality education and healthcare are key issues. The state saw a slight population decrease between 2023 and 2024. Even the mighty Mississippi River can't stem the tide of residents flowing out. Community engagement and advocacy can help address local challenges and improve living conditions. Known for its picturesque landscapes, Vermont is experiencing a modest population decline. Harsh winters and limited job opportunities contribute to the outmigration. Vermont's population decreased slightly between 2023 and 2024. It seems some Vermonters are trading maple syrup for sunnier pastures. If you're considering leaving, research climates and job markets to find a location that suits your preferences. Understanding these migration patterns is crucial, as they reflect broader economic, social, and political trends shaping the nation. Whether you're contemplating a move or staying put, staying informed empowers you to make decisions that best suit your circumstances. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Share your thoughts below. Have you noticed these trends in your state? Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the top destinations Americans are flocking to in 2025.